Hello friends, the topic of this video is construction of DFA. So the question is we have to construct the DFA over input symbol a comma b which will contain which will accept AAA as input symbol, means DFA accept all the string having AAA as a substring. So first of all I will write the possible string which contain AAA as substring, and then will construct the DFA for the same. So first string is AAA itself, then string can start with B, then I can write B AAA, then string can end with B, I can write AAA B, then double B AAA, or AAA double B, then AB AAA, then BA double B AAA, then we can write BA B AAA B, and so on. So in every string you will find AAA as substring. Now in earlier videos also I have told you that what will be the total number of states in DFA in this case. So in this case the total number of states will be length of the substring plus 1. So the length of substring is 3, so total number of states will be 4. So I will draw the 4 states. So Q0, then Q1, then Q2, and then Q3. So for the first string AAA, so I will write here A, and here Q3 will be the final state. Now next possibility can be B AAA, then double B AAA, then triple B AAA. So it will start with any number of B. So here I can apply loop of B so that it can accept any number of B. Then string can end with any number of B. So triple B A, triple A B, triple A double B, triple A triple B. So it will accept any number of B. Then the possible string can be AAA, then AAA double A, then AAA triple A. So it will accept any number of A. So B comma A, so that it will accept any number of A. So these are the some possibility. Now let us discuss another possibility and we will try to construct the final DFA. So the string can be A, B, then AAA, then A double B AAA, then A triple B AAA. These can happen. So if there is A B, then there is AAA. So it is better if we come back from Q1. So A, then B, then AAA. It will reach to final state. So the string is accepted only when it reaches to final state. Then A, B, 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 AAA, then A, B, 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 any number of B and AAA. So that solve our problem. Now the next possibility is, suppose there is double A, B, AAA, then double A, double B, AAA, then double A, triple B, AAA. So what to do in this case? So here A, then we want at the end there should be AAA. So what we can do, we can come back for B from Q2 to Q0 and it will definitely solve our problem. So you can see A, B, AAA, it reaches to final state. Then A, B, B, then AAA, it reaches to final state. A, B, 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 AAA, it reaches to final state. So that solve our problem. Now if we discuss any other possibility here, so B A double B AAA, let us discuss, let us see whether it is accepted or not accepted. B, then A, then B, B AAA, it reaches to final state. Then last is B double A B AAA B. Okay, so B, then A, then B, then AAA, and then B. So it reaches to final state and value string is accepted. So this is the final DFA which accept AAA as substring. So I do hope you understand this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.